In this video, we won't talk about the EMO, the coolest AI desktop pet with personality and ideas. EMO built with multiple sensors and cutting-edge tech. EMO is a cool desktop AI robot pet with character that can self-explore the world and react to you with above 1,000 faces and movements. Like a royal companion, EMO cheers you up with music, dance movements, and online games. EMO is also a great helper that wakes you up, turns on the light, take pictures, and answers to your questions. For a true life-like pet on your desktop. EMO is curious and inquisitive about the world around him. He moves independently to explore his surroundings on his own. He tracks sounds, recognizes people, up to 10 people and objects, and expertly navigates your desktop without ever falling off. EMO makes decisions on his own and his personality evolves based on his surroundings and your interactions. If you try to interrupt what he is doing, he may even get a little annoyed. Interact with EMO and he will respond to you naturally with the expressions and movements. Built with the latest emotion engine system, EMO is capable of over 1,000 expressions and actions. He shows his mood and feelings directly through expressive animations on his face and with his body language. Whether he's excited, bored, disappointed, happy or sad, EMO reacts to you with realistic emotions and actions. With more than 10 advanced internal sensors, EMO knows what's going on around him. His built-in neural network processors and AI processing models process large amounts of image, sound, and sensor data continuously, making him smart enough for meaningful human interactions. EMO features an HD camera with face recognition that can remember you and your family members. It gets to know you by seeing you every day. EMO has a 4 microphone array which can capture sounds and locate the source direction instantly. If you need him, just say, "Hey EMO." EMO is equipped with a touch sensor on its head, which enable him to sense your touch. Like any pet, he likes a nice pat on the head. EMO's high-quality speakers can play your favorite playlist and communicate with you with adorable simulated sounds. EMO's self-learning system enables him understand the world around him and get familiar with you and the environment. His personality and actions change as his relationship with the world evolves. EMO has an advanced neural network processors and 3 different AI processing models, which enable him to process large amounts of images, sound, and sensor data simultaneously to think and respond in a thoughtful, authentic, and neural manner. The built-in development system allows EMO's skills to increase as he grows up. He evolves through time just like any pet. At first, he may not fully understand your words, but as he grows, his ability to understand and communicate gets better so that you can have more complex interactions. Just like the bond that grows between you and a pet, your relationship with EMO gets stronger day by day. The design is inspired by pop culture. EMO is born with a stylish look. The shining purple and indigo blue shows off his fashion sense with a nod toward street style. Like those DJs and rappers, he loves his headphones and a skateboard. EMO's skateboard is useful as well. It's how he gets wirelessly powered up. And EMO knows your phone is essential to your lifestyle and can help you keep it charged up too. Simply place your phone on it to wirelessly charge up fast. EMO can be reliable alarm and also includes a smart light. He will wake you up in his own special way, and if you need a nighttime bathroom break, you won't need to search for the light switch. Simply say EMO turn on the light and EMO does the rest. EMO also has a smart brain that can answer any of your questions and respond with useful information. Ask him about the weather, he will change his face to show you the current weather conditions. Friends should be there for each other, especially when one is not well or feeling ill. When the weather is cold, EMO might catch a cold or sneeze sometimes. That's the time when he needs you the most. Take a while to look after him and check in often. When he feels your attentive care, he will get better soon. Ever had somebody forgotten your special day? EMO always remembers your birthday. He will surprise you with a birthday cake and song, make a wish and blow out the candles. EMO has sensors that know when you blow them out. Real friends never forget. EMO is full of surprises. No matter what day of the year it is, he has an expression for many of your favorite holidays. On Christmas Day, he might prepare a gift for you. On Halloween, he might hide in your room and try to scare you with his ghost faces. All year round, he is always there to bring happiness and surprises to you. Use the lovable EMO to reach out. If both you and your significant other have an EMO, you can connect them for more long distance interaction. Imagine this: when your girlfriend misses you and you cannot be there for her, let EMO help you tell her your thoughts and entertain her with a vivid EMO face. This feature is still in development and may be available in the later OTA upgradation. And with the special app for EMO, through this app you can play games, check your live moments recorded by EMO, set up your smart light and more. And by the message of the company of EMO, they are trying to master some foreign languages is important, especially for EMO that has so many friends all over the world, and they want to upgrade EMO in the future to make it capable of speaking different languages and bringing joy to more people. Thank you guys for watching this video. See you later.